I do have to say that there were some things that were really positive about having that experience, being brought out of my bubble, being a native person back home and being the native person at college and back and forth. And it forced me to find ways to communicate with things, but also to connect with other people and cultures in different ways. My freshman year assigned roommate was a Sri Lankan citizen. When we were besties, we roomed together 4 years in a row, best man at each other's weddings, still see each other every year, you know. I think that stuff is great. That's really great. And I, you know, like just in my experience for a couple days here at Transylvania, I think that a lot of you are living on campus and it forces some connections, and you have smaller classes compared to a lot of places, so you actually have to talk to your professors and, you know, things like that. That's actually very positive because it puts you into spaces where you have genuine connection, you know, not just one-way information going to you that you put on a piece of paper. And so I think all of that's very positive, and I was really impressed with the students and all the questions they had with the classes that I was visiting. Super smart, super engaged. Awesome. Yeah, so yes, I did have that, but I saw positives in it. And in some ways, I think if I was like trapped at home, you know, my whole life, I may not have appreciated it as well. Leaving it kind of helped me appreciate it, come back and go stronger and deeper too. Other people have other experiences, so, you know, and even for Native people, half of the enrolled tribal citizenry lives off reservation. A lot of our people have been adopted and fostered out of our communities even. And so some people have had a different experience than me, kind of being an insider in our cultural space. A lot of them are like looking for their first genuine connections to and awakenings in that space and are trying to find a way back, but feel like a foreigner in that space. And so there are different challenges for different people, depending on their experience.